Okay, let us find out how to customize the taskbar. You can customize the taskbar to best suit your needs. Let us see in what way and how we can customize the taskbar. Right-click on the taskbar and select the Properties option. The taskbar and the Start Menu Properties dialog box appears. You will notice that by default the taskbar tab is opened. In the taskbar Appearance section, click on the Lock the Taskbar checkbox. This will lock the taskbar, with the result that you will not be able to move it to any place. Click on the Auto Hide the Taskbar checkbox. This option makes the taskbar to recede and hide automatically when it is not in use. Click on the Use Small Icons checkbox. This option reduces the size of the taskbar icons to fit more program icons on the taskbar. Specify the location of the taskbar by choosing any desired option from the drop-down menu of Taskbar Location on screen. The choices are Bottom, Default, Top, Right and Left. Specify how icons should be displayed on the taskbar by choosing any desired option from the drop-down menu of Taskbar buttons. Students note that to make use of the Auto Hide the Taskbar option, uncheck the Lock the Taskbar option. You can choose Always Combine, Hide Labels. It will pile up the icons for the same program and only show the icons without their labels. Combine when taskbar is full. This option will pile up the icons only when there are many windows or programs open and there is no space on the taskbar and will show each window's label next to the icon. Never combine. It prevents any piling and will show each window's label next to the icon. Let us talk about the icons. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders and programs. The icons play a very important role in Graphical User Interface (GUI). Let us learn about some commonly used icons. Computer gives you a view of available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. Double-clicking on any drive icon will display the files and folders contained in that drive. Application icons. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or a folder. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. Document icons. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. Network allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a networked environment. Recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files or folders. The deleted files or folders can be restored to their original locations from the recycle bin. Okay, let me tell you how to customize the desktop. Windows 7 is quite flexible and provides many options to change the settings of desktop according to your choice. Let us try one of the options and change the color scheme of the computer screen. Right-click on the blank area of desktop and select the Personalize option. The personalization window appears. Click on the window color option located at the bottom of the window. Select any color to change the color of window borders, Start menu and taskbar. Select the Enable Transparency option. The window glass border, Start menu and taskbar will become transparent. Set the color intensity option. It will affect the window glass borders, Start menu and taskbar's color strength. Click on the Show Color Mixture option to set the hue, saturation and brightness option to give the color effect. Select the Advanced Appearance Settings option. Window Color and Appearance dialog box will open. Click on the drop-down arrow placed next to the item list box and select Active Title Bar option from the list. Now click on the Color drop-down list box and select any color of your choice. Similarly, select the Font drop-down list and change the font settings. Click on the Apply button and then click OK. Click on the Save Changes button. You will find a change in the appearance of window.